This tutorial will guide you how to delete your FlexJobs account, and ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now, FlexJobs is one of the best platforms to help you find remote, hybrid, and flexible jobs. But sometimes you may need to delete your account. So go to flexjobs.com website and make sure to log into your account. Also log into your account. One thing you'll notice is your name here on the top right corner. Make sure to click on your name and then select account details. Now, on the account details, you may not see an option to delete your account. Now, what you need to do, just select your name here and then select on the customer support. Now, on the customer support page, you'll be able to reach out to their customer care team for all your support needs. So you can either live chat with the support team, which have been provided here, or you can just call them through the phone number, or you can email them. You can select send a message, and the support team will be able to help you regarding deletion of your account. So it's very easy. Just select your name here at the top right corner, select customer support, and then make sure to contact their support team either through live chat, phone number, or send them an email. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.